we're going to take a look at the Excel interface. So I'm going to go to Excel and open it up, and the first thing I want you to notice is that it gives me the option to create what's called a blank workbook. So an Excel file is generally called a workbook. It's based off the old idea of having a physical book with many pages in the book. So we open it up, and our workbook is everything that we're going to make. The workbook is made up of worksheets, and this is the worksheet. You can see it's rather large. We can add more worksheets if we need. We're not going to do that in this case, so I'm going to delete them. And we can also rename them, which can be quite helpful to make us make names that make sense or find the information we need, and we can protect them as well if we don't want people messing around with them. Each worksheet is made up a bunch of these rectangular looking things, which are called cells. The cell you are currently clicking on is the active cell. We also have rows, which are labelled by number, and columns, which are labelled by letter. And it goes across the alphabet, and then once you've hit Z, then it goes AA, AB, and so on and so forth. It gets quite expansive. Up along the top here, we have the ribbon, which has all these useful tools for us, and we can access different parts of the ribbon by clicking along the top here. The other thing to notice is that we have the name box for the cell, and also we have here a very important area, which is the formula box, and we'll use that soon. But that's basically the interface. So try and remember workbook, worksheets, cells, columns, rows, ribbon, formula box, and name box.